You want to receive me? You want to do what you?
Hi, babe.
I'm very rough.
Even you're happy this morning, are you okay?
Karuna, I just have to give myself some joy.
Wow.
How are you?
I'm fine, I bought you something.
So beautiful. Thank you. Mommy, what was something now? But thank you. Now my mommy will eat. Come on, get that from here. Idiot. Don't mind that riffraff.
I don't understand. Who is she?
She's my sister, uncle, brother, relative.
But she just called you mommy.
Namarota.
Gosh. So you have a child all this while and you didn't tell me?
It doesn't mean now. She be you rough me, I rough you, the rough balance by that now.
Where is the father?
The father motor down German.
You know what? Please, I don't want a woman that has a child already.
Sis?
I don't want it.
See, forget about all this thing now. That is a dead party in our second party relationship. Please forget about her now, please. See,
don't touch me.
I'm
like so done with you.
You're on her now. Please, no, don't do like. This boy, this boy don't join singing man association. Why you go correct the same way by can't give me? Now what have I done to this evil chair? All the men that come to ask for my hand in marriage. This guy, he pursued him. Look at this young man that look like God-fearing Yahoo boy. Comfort, come out here. You don't destroy my life. You won't play with my heart. You don't see me finish. You dey bongolo. Oh no. Make you carry your ungongo. Mommy, I want to eat. Want to do what? You want to eat the food that your useless father give me money to buy. You see you this child, come here, come down. Come down back! Stand like this. From today henceforward, or in backward, or whichever one, don't call me mommy again. What did I say? Don't call me mommy again. I am not your mother. I rob you. So from today, call me sister. Or you call me madam. No, call me sister. Me no be like say today atlas.
Sister, mommy to be hard though.
Waiting go hard you, eh? I say no see your father, you no suffer. So you go better say you no get mother too. You no get mama, you no get papa. So you have to survive like that. You understand? See, you are evil child. You be winch. All the men will come to marry me, you don't pursue them. They know say I get picking like you. You go come out for my house. No, they you come with your mama, your papa for grief. Nonsense child. I am not your mother. What did I say? I am not your mother. Sing it like a song. My mother is not my mother. My mother is my sister. You understand? I did not born you. You this child want to destroy my life. Because of you, I don't go to school. All these people we don't marry, they go marry for 8 years, they no get picking. But me, why you see my go do small massage? Now you come enter my wedding. Cook. Come out from my face. I'm not your mother. I don't born you. I never born. I'm a side chick. I never born. Nonsense. Ha! When they say what kind of you, I prove it wrong and conquer you. My heart beat for you. Anytime I say my heart beat for you.
Beat for me.
My heart beat.
How are you? How are you doing?
I'm fine, Daddy.
Because your heart is beating for me, but now that I'm here, I hope you'll be fine.
Cut the bounce, my heart bounce for you. I miss you.
Can you look at that bed?
The moon I see one brand my eye.
Oh, sorry. Okay, look at me now.
Huh?
Will you marry me?
Oh, finally, the Lord has given me the joy of my life.
Mommy.
Sister.
I don't get it. I don't get this. She's calling you mommy. Is she your mother?
No. Comfort. Do you know I can strangle you? I can give you some down now.
Stop that. Are you actually the mother of this girl?
No.
But she just called you mommy.
No matter.
No. Let's tell me the truth. I just want to get the truth from you.
See, no go vex for me.
Just tell me, are you the mom?
Nah, me been born.
You gave birth to this girl, and you have kept this away from me for the past 2 months.
You know matter.
We've been together.
This thing no matter. This thing.
It matters a lot. Because if you can do this to your own child, it therefore means you can kill me and hide me from my parents. I hate nonsense.
Now, see, this chair is a bad luck. This chair is a weak.
So please, I'm no more interested in this relationship. Please.
This thing not be clear, you know. Please,
no more, please. Just get out of my life.
Comfort. What have you done? What have you done to me? Comfort, what have I done to you? Because I don't get money to pay your school fee. Now I keep myself better. You don't go come on your papa for grave. Comfort. You don't pursue my husband. You go leave my house today. You don't make now. You don't make go to house care work. Go for your husband marry. Go Karuna. All those outside play go see husband. Come on for my house, milk. This guy don't finish me. I go there with you personally. I don't want you in my house. Step down. Who's your way to go? I love you, mommy. Who you love? Mommy, please, I love you. Who do you love? Comfort. You are not comforting me. You are a disaster, a trouble, a bad luck. Everything, that's what you have. Everyone told me to be strong or strong shield.
How are you? I hope you're fine. I want to say that I'm very sorry, for what I said to you. I was too rude some hours ago. I'm very sorry. Okay? Please, I hope you've forgiven me. Thank you very much. I'm back for you, please. I'm ready to take you home, please. So you get your things ready and make sure you come with your daughter. Okay, my car is over there and my driver is waiting. Get us set. Let's get out of here.
I don't come out that thing for my life.
I don't get you.
I don't come out there. You know, see as I come out the thing now, you don't come back. You know that kid was a bad luck to me now. The kid, you know they wish me well. I just threw away.
Stop it! Are you trying to tell me that you have chased out that innocent little girl out of this house?
You know innocent. You know innocent. You know innocent. Ibibio. You know innocent, don't make it.
Oh, goodness, for Christ's sake, if you can do this to your daughter, then why? Why do you have to do this?
Because of the society, you know.
What society?
No, the society, the community, the African mentality. Say when woman get child, if you come marry another one, you don't go one again. They use the humiliator, they call her single mother, they call her prostitute. Now where I come at them for my life now? That kid, education, I know feel go. Marriage, I know feel married. I have to chase away now.
You think all men are the same? If a man could get a child and a woman still come and marry, so what is so wrong about a woman having a child and another man comes to marry her?
No fake, see, I'm sorry, now it's not my fault.
Hello dear, I'm just giving you 2 more days. Make sure you find that girl. If not, you will never see me and I will not see you.
No, like this now, see that?
Stop it.
Oh man, I know the same. What thing I go do now? Comfort, come and comfort me now. Where's my hot car now? Comfort, where are you?
Now where is she?
I don't see where she is now.
What do you mean? I asked you should not come to my house except you find that girl.
I cannot find her. I don't walk about. I don't see that girl.
Then what do you want me to do? Why are you here?
Now, so that we can just get married. I'll look for her later.
So you will look for her later?
Yeah.
Oh, what? Well, do you know what she's going through right now? Do you know the suffering and the pains, the hunger she's going through right now? What makes you to do this?
It's the society. How the men used to treat her. They say you are single. Oh, she's a single mother. I cannot marry her. She already have a child. She no fit conceive, and she's a born one.
And so what?
And so I send her out now so that it could be like say I never born before. I'm sorry now.
There is nothing bad about you having a child. It's even giving me confidence that you can bear fruit, that you are fertile.
Now you be the first man.
All men are not the same.
Now I know now. So
now you know, and I want you to correct this mistake. Please go and get that child. Find her or don't come to my house.
Should I accept her now? Or let her go until she finds the child? What's your opinion?